Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, hi, my name is Sweeney, and I have been away for quite some time, but now I'm back like I had never left. Anyway, for this year's very first video, I want to start by sharing with you where you can get free sewing patterns. So the first website is Peppermint Magazine. So it's an Australian print magazine for style, and they do partner with indie pattern designers to come to share with us free sewing patterns. They put out a couple of free sewing patterns over time, not weekly, not monthly, but after a couple of period of time you find that they do share a free pattern. What I can say is that their patterns are like very easy. I've watched tutorials and you can tell that they're easy, simple to follow, and I'd say that they are perfect for beginners like us. The next website is Mood Fabrics. They do have a range of garment types from tops to pants to so much. Like in this website you can find everything that you're looking for. Unfortunately, their patterns do not come with instructions, so if you're a beginner it might be a bit hard for you to navigate. However, they do have a blog post where they share step-by-step instructions on how, not instruction, but step-by-step pictures on how you can make the garments out of their patterns. So in order to have access to their pattern, to their free patterns, you have to register for their mailings so that you can be able to access their free patterns. The next site is fabrics.com. They also have a wide range of options or garment types, just as Mood Fabrics. And one good thing about them is that they have the option of filtering to what suits you best. So there's the option of more easy beginner sewing patterns, and then you have the more difficult and fun sewing patterns. So this makes it so much easy because you have the options of narrowing it down to what you feel comfortable with. Their patterns also do not come with instructions, but they do have a blog where they post step-by-step guides on how you can use the patterns to sew your garments. All that you're required to do is to register for a free account in order to be able to gain access to their patterns. The next site is Fibre Mood. Fibre Mood is a European sewing magazine, so they do put out free patterns on a weekly basis. So every week they do share a new pattern. One good thing about them is that besides the fact that their patterns do come with detailed instructions, they also run weekly lives on Instagram. So they also have sew-alongs on their Instagram page weekly. So you get a detailed instruction for the patterns, and not just that, but you also get the opportunity to watch them create garments using the patterns. They also require you to register for a free account in order to be able to download their patterns. Another good thing about this specific magazine is that they allow you they give you the option to download your patterns with SIM allowance or without. I mean, what better thing? As in, these people are just making it so much easier for us. They're giving it to us for free. They have sew-alongs, they have detailed instructions, and you're free to download the pattern how you'd like it, with SIM allowance or without. The next site is Bernina. So for them, they offer one free pattern monthly. So I was reading a blog by Sabrina Lee, and she says that unfortunately for them, getting the patterns can be a little bit hard at their site. So she advises that you use a manual search. Maybe go there and write free patterns, or go there and write free downloads for Inspiration magazine. It just makes it so much easier for you to access their patterns and navigate through the site without having a hard time. Their patterns also come with full instructions, very detailed, and with them you're not required to make any registration or register for account in order to access their patterns. The next site is Lekala Patterns. So Lekala Patterns offer free patterns that can be customized to your size. Guys, imagine, like, they allow you to customize their patterns to your size. Like, they make it so much easy for you. So unfortunately with them, they do not have a variety of garments. They only have skirts, dresses, and a few blouses. So yeah, if you're trying to create these specific items, then this is the site for you, because their patterns because they have really cute patterns. Like if you see the dresses that are there, the skirts that are there, the blouses that are there, they're like really cute, which I wouldn't take that as a disadvantage, that that's what they major on mostly, because at least you know that when you're going to this specific site, these are the specific things that you expect to get. Their patterns also come with full and detailed instructions, or they just come with detailed instructions. Why am I complicating this? Yeah, they come with detailed instructions, and you are free to choose whether you want to download with or without SIM allowances. Like, some people are just out here trying to really encourage us to make our own pieces. They're doing all the hard work for us, because guys, if you've watched like pattern videos and whatnot, you know how hard it can be to come up with a pattern, leave alone coming up with patterns for other people. Maybe making for yourself might not be that hard, but making it for like commercial use can be really difficult. Yeah, the next site is Gracer. Okay, I don't know whether I'm butchering the name, but I'm assuming that that's the pronunciation. Yeah, so it's a Russian pattern company. That's one. In their site, they do produce patterns in English and Kiswahili. So why am I saying Kiswahili? Guys, I'm Kenyan, so there's a way that when you just say English, it automatically follows in Swahili, but that's not what I mean. They do have two blogs. One is written in English and the other one in Russian. Unfortunately, the English blog does not have that many options compared to the Russian one, but guys, they're doing us a favor. Yeah, free. Like, it's free. What do you expect? Like, at least they've put in the extra effort to ensure that we all get access. So they do have two blogs, one in English, one in Russian, and you do have the option of using Google Translate to use their patterns that are written in Russian, which I know might be a little bit daunting, but if you want something nice, then you gotta go for it. Their patterns come in Russian, size 38 to 56. And they also come with the SIM allowance included. Their patterns have detailed instructions, and they also have tutorial videos. And another thing is that no registration is required for you to get access to their free patterns. So again, they're just out here making everything for us. Like, they're just spoon feeding us. Like, yay. Yeah, you like no long processes, no whatnot. You go there, you identify that this is the pattern that I've liked, just click the download button and you get your free PDF pattern. So that is it for this video, guys. If you made it this far, thank you so much. Please remember to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, because we're about to learn here. Yeah, we're beginners, but we're about to get bigger, get better. We're going to learn together. I'll be making a lot of videos that will be suitable for beginners in terms of understanding the sewing terms, sewing fabrics, learning how to, read patterns, learning like everything. Guys, I've learned so much when I was away, and I'm going to share all that with you, so stay tuned for that. Until next time, guys, bye.